All LEDs are DC. Whoa, that's bright, man. Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer. The set is a little bit different. I've been working on whitening it up. I've got pegboards, I've got a whiteboard, I've just got a bunch of organization stuff going on. I wanted to give you an unboxing of new lighting, so I want to improve the lighting as well, and I found this, which is the Ryobi ONE Plus P785 18 volt hybrid LED light. And it's 3 Cree LED lights, maximum of 1500 lumens, and it can run off the Ryobi ONE Plus batteries, or it can run off of the AC outlet. Cool, found it on clearance. I'm gonna open it up, see what it's like. Comes with these 3 lights, and it can run off the Ryobi ONE Plus batteries or an AC power cord, and it's got this base station. I wanted to get this open and try it out. Alright, so each LED light has its own wire spool, and I think each pot light has its own hook. Yeah, it has its own hook too, so let me get into those. Looks like they have a pretty good diffuser on them already, which is nice. And then you can, yeah, you can hook them. Oh, it's a stand or hook, so that's cool. So yeah, you can have them pointed like that or like that, or you can hang them. Okay, so this is the hybrid part of the base station where you can plug in a normal socket or you can plug in a ONE Plus battery, which I do have. They're just not charged right now, so I'll, well, let me go grab one and I'll put it in and we'll see if I can get any light out of it at all. So I do have 2 of these Ryobi ONE Plus batteries. They're really old. They're from about 2008. They likely have no charge in them at all. I rarely use them, so I might have to charge them up, but we'll just see here if it has any power at all on a battery. Yeah, they're completely dead. Okay, let's plug it into some AC power. I'm gonna try the hybrid option where it's got the AC power because my batteries aren't charged, so we'll put this in. Non-grounded, so you just need a two-prong outlet, which is nice. Plug that in. So that must mean it has an AC to DC converter in this base. All LEDs are DC. Whoa, that's bright, man. Wow, I'm impressed. Level 1? No, it starts out the very brightest. So brightest, medium. All right, so as soon as you turn it on, they come on the full brightness, 1500 lumens. Seems like they have a pretty good pattern as well. We'll need to get them hung up and set up, and I'll show you the difference that they make. That's neat. So that's power level, max power, medium power, low power. And there's 3 Cree LEDs in each one of the pots. Base station, it does have hooks and stuff, so you could hang it on something if you want to, and the wires are all daisy chained, so there's 10 foot of cord between each one. So I've got first one there on my tripod, second one sitting here pointing up, and the third one is sitting up there. I'm just going to see, does it make a difference? Alright, so right now I just have one TFL here, and then I have some of these LEDs, the odd key LED globes. I have one here, which is normally pointing down, so let me get that in the position. And then I have one back here now just because I've set this up. Alright, here we go. Full power on. Ooh, yeah, that's nice. Man, they're bright though. They're blinding me a bit, so I have to be careful about that. Medium, low, and then that's off. Guys, I'm back. It's been a few days since I was doing that lighting review. I've just come back down. I am probably going to keep them. I think that they're good enough. Right now they are completely off, and I just want to show you the difference. So I have positioned them in a still somewhat temporary but flexible orientation. Right now I just have the one light on, the one CFL that I always just used to have. 3, 2, 1, and there's now my new studio lights. That's the CFL, one of the Ryobis, second Ryobi, third Ryobi. So they're all pointed down at the desk. Just wanted to wrap up this video about the lights. I think they are very handy. Once you get the wires tucked away and figure out a good mounting position. I wish that the mounting hardware was a bit better on them. I don't really like how the mount works, but you can make do, especially for a construction style environment where you're gonna have like nails and stuff, where you could just pop a nail in the wall, hang it there. That's basically what it's designed for. But I'm going to use it like this to get 1500 lumens of LED that I can run off a battery or I can run off AC power is worth it for me. And down here is a little control box like I showed before. and right now it's on AC power. Alright guys, hit that thumbs up if you liked this video and it was helpful to you. Subscribe, hit the notification bell if you want to know when I have new videos. Share the video around if you know someone who would be interested in those lights, as well as I'll put links in the description to where you can get them, because I did check, you can buy these on Amazon.com for you US people, and the price seems good there as well. So yeah, they're quite handy. I think that they're worth it for various scenarios. So check them out. You know, if you got a shed or something that doesn't have electricity, you could, you know, pop it in with a battery, whatever. If you already have the ONE+ tools, it's a no-brainer. All right, thanks for watching. Take care.